everybody! My name is MJ the Tutor, and you are listening to another episode of Accounting Makes Sense, an MJ the Tutor podcast. This podcast is focused on helping accounting students all over the world by offering a quick warm-up on various accounting and business topics that hopefully leads to the generation of bigger discussions and conversation. For all those studying or thinking about doing CIMA right now, this is for you. In today's episode, we are going to explore big data and the 5 V's, which are the characteristics of big data. It's no surprise that data and information nowadays are considered to be valuable resources for any company. Data has emerged as a game changer in the business landscape, providing substantial competitive advantage for a company. In today's fast-paced business environment, data isn't just an asset. It's a strategic imperative. Companies that harness the power of data gain the ability to adapt, innovate, and make decisions with unparalleled precision, positioning themselves at the forefront of their industries. But before we go on and on, let's start with what big data is all about. Big data refers to extremely large and complex data sets that are beyond the capabilities of traditional data processing methods to efficiently manage, process, and analyze. These datasets are characterized by their immense volume, high velocity, wide variety, and varying level of veracity. Big data arises from a multitude of sources, including social media, sensors, devices, business transactions, and more. The term big data does not only mean the size of the data, but also the challenges and opportunities that it presents. The key characteristics of big data are often referred to as the V's. To make it easier, let's explain the different V's. V number 1, volume. This is the sheer magnitude of data being produced. Big data is vast in scale. It involves datasets that are too large to be handled by your traditional database systems. Think of it as an ever-expanding library where each book represents a data point. Companies are faced with the challenge of managing and processing this colossal flow of information. V number 2, velocity. We delve into velocity, which is the speed at which data is generated and must be analyzed. Big data is generated and collected at unprecedented speeds. The high velocity requires real-time or near real-time processing to make timely decisions. Streams of data flow from various sources like your social media, sensors, applications, demanding swift analysis. Think of it as the heartbeat of the digital age, pulsating rapidly as information floods in from various sources. This pace demands real-time processing to derive actionable insights, much like catching fleeting glimpses of a landscape from a fast-moving train. Businesses need to catch these data quickly to know what's happening right at this very minute. V number 3, variety. Variety emphasizes the diverse nature of data formats and types. Big data comes in various forms. It includes structured data, those coming from your databases, for example, semi-structured data, files that are XML, for example, and unstructured data, elements such as text, images, and videos, for example. This diversity of data types poses a challenge for traditional data processing methods. It's like a puzzle where each piece has a distinct shape and color, yet contributes to the larger picture. Businesses need to understand that navigating this diverse landscape requires meticulous attention to detail. V number 4, veracity. Veracity addresses the trustworthiness and accuracy of data. In a world where misinformation can spread like wildfire, ensuring the reliability of data sources becomes paramount. Think of it as validating the credentials of attendees at an exclusive event to prevent imposters from entering. In a business environment, this could be accepting information that is incorrect and is in error and making decisions based on that information. Can you just imagine the damage and aftershock of such an action? V number 5, value. Finally, value encapsulates the essence of why we explore the 5 V's. It's about transforming raw data into meaningful insights. Big data needs to produce insights to drive value. These insights could lead to improved decision-making, better customer experience, enhanced operations, and even the creation of entirely new business models. Imagine mining for precious gems amidst rocks, extracting insights that hold the potential to reshape businesses, optimize processes, and predict future trends. So how do these concepts apply in the real world? Imagine a retailer using the 5 V's to create its killer strategy. The volume of data collected from your online sales, in-store purchases, and customer feedback gives that store the full picture. The velocity of data helps them spot trends and adjust their moves. The variety of data lets them mix and match products and marketing campaigns. Veracity ensures that their decisions are based on authentic insights. And finally, the value extracted from this data helps them fine-tune their offerings. They create personalized shopping experiences for their customers and they keep their customers happy. As we conclude our exploration of the 5 V's of big data, remember that these concepts are more than just buzzwords. They represent the challenges and opportunities presented by our data-driven world. By embracing volume, velocity, variety, veracity, and value, companies can navigate the intricate landscape of data and unveil insights that have the power to reshape the future. And that's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thank you for listening to Accounting Makes Sense. As always, I am your host, MJ the Tutor. If you're keen to connect to be updated with the arrival of the next episode of this podcast or find CIMA resources online, please head on over to my website, www.mjthetutor.com. You can also hit subscribe on whichever platform you are using to listen to this podcast. If you want to connect on social media, I'm on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram under the name MJ the Tutor. So I hope to see you again next time. Ciao for now!